Brisbane City Council has rejected an application to demolish a heritage-listed building in West End to make way for a car park. The Belvedere is one of Brisbane's oldest homes but has been vacant and neglected in recent years. Its owners, the Greek Club, wanted to knock the 19th century house down.
And we believe that on the balance of evidence, given the structural soundness of this place, that it was important to preserve it for future generations in Brisbane.
The owners can, however, lodge an appeal within the next 20 days.